This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Getting close to review 1000. Or not review, but episode 1000. That's kind of crazy. This is one that a reader sent in named Keijiro. I hope I have that right. Thank you very much. I've wanted to review this for a while and try it. This is Kumamon Kumamoto Tonkotsu by Itsuki. You can find this one on Amazon. Pretty sure it has pork in it. And it's not made out of Kumamon. Kumamon is the mascot of Kumamoto Prefecture in Japan. We get like state birds and junk like that. They get like a bear thing. So this one is two doses, but I'm only gonna make one of them. And this is where it gets tricky because there's like a bunch of noodles here. You kind of got to split them out. Go have fun, Mimi. Now she's gonna bother me. Don't bother Papa. Papa's got work to do. If you're good, I'll let you have some egg, okay? You can have some. You gotta get down. You're gonna bust your head open, kid. That would not be fun for you or convenient for you and all the things you want to do. So don't do that. Yeah, I've been wanting to try this one for a while. I have a feeling it's gonna be good. 2 minutes. Get in there, noodles. Hopefully I didn't just like load it down too much. It's usually these things have little like cigar bands on them. And that makes it so they're more easily portioned out instead of like eyeballing it. So what I'll do is that. Alright. And there it goes. So this one only takes 2 minutes to cook. So let's get quick and do our... Oh, I bent the cover. Momofuku Endo speaks. The guy who invented the instant noodle. Quotes from him. Let's see here. Number 148. The CEO is the strong will that leads the employees. There you go. So, it's kind of a weird thing. I'm a liberal. Dun dun! But here's the thing. They just got rid of Donald Trump's Twitter account. They also got rid of his Facebook account. What else did they get rid of? Like, everything. It's like they destroyed his voice. Now, I'm not a fan of what he's got to say, but I'm a big fan of the idea that just because I don't like what you have to say doesn't mean you don't have the right to say it. You know what I mean? It's like not very freedom of speechy to take away somebody's freedom of speech. I don't think what he had to say was good. Mimi, I'm going to take away your freedom of speech. You got to be quiet. Do you see what I did there? Yeah. But, yeah, it's just, he said some stuff. They're worried that he's gonna rile people up. Oh, now she's getting miles angry. Big Brother's had enough of somebody's antics and doings. But, yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, personally, I always kind of go, ooh, the guy tweeted again. And just like, it's kind of like Howard Stern. The people who like him. Why do they like him? They want to see what he says next. The people who hate him. Why do they follow him? They want to see what he says next. And I'm one of the latter ones. I love being able to get, like, stuff directly from this guy who I thought is, and still kind of think, yeah, I will own that. I think he's a nut. I think it's nuts to follow the guy around. But that's people's right if that's what they really want to do. Oh my God, I need a squirt gun. All right, timeout. Magical words. Straight noodle. Smells absolutely wonderful. Mmm. Mm-hmm. It has that floury kind of Hakata chip. Shush! I know you said no. You keep saying no. Both of you, shush and allow me to do my work. So, yeah, I looked around. It's like he tried to get on some other platform. Oh, what is it called? Parlor. I don't know what that is. But then I got an article from the Hindustan Times. Yeah. Saying both of you shush. It's timeout time. Then be quiet and stop saying no. You're being a naughty kid. Don't be a naughty kid. Be a good kid. Yeah, it's all my daughter. She's going to go to jail. I swear. She's 4. She is 4 years old and acting horrible. Alright, hold on. And we're back. Yeah, she was taking the chair and trying to beat her brother over the head with it. Not my favorite thing. So I had to take care of business real quick. But it is quiet now, which is good. It's always tough after the weekend to get used to kind of not having any schedule going on. And then bam, it gets all crazy. But actually, the last few times I've been doing reviews, it's gone really well, and they've been really good. Yeah. We'll see how this week goes. All right. So here's some spring onion. That's the tricky thing with this stuff too, is when you leave it alone, it starts drinking the water. When it drinks the water, pictures don't come out as well, so I like it more brothy looking. There's some Naruto, got some chashu. Right there. And now, yay! She made more eggs, ladies and gentlemen. And it is time for the egging. I don't know why I do that. I just like doing it. Okay, let's see how these came out. Ooh, they feel perfect. Thank you, as always, to my beautiful wife, Kit. She is the power behind the throne. I don't know what you mean by that. Ah! I know. Wow. She's always upping her game on these eggs. Wow. Alright. Look at that action. Can you see that? I hope you can. Yeah. And let's do some seeds. Oh. Yeah, I don't really need the spicy stuff. I can put some over here. Because Mimi really likes the eggs. So I try not to indulge in eggs often at all. And it is almost time for her school in 10 minutes. So let's let the Rotato do its magic. Like that. Enjoy. Oh, wait. Yeah, nice noodles. Thanks again to Keijiro for sending this over. I love it when my readers like send me stuff. It's really cool because this one I've only seen it as like a 10-pack on Amazon. It's like, that's too expensive for my blood. I only need one of them. So, yeah, very cool. Thank you to everybody over in the world where you're at. It's been Hans the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.
Show my